In this video, I'm going to look at Rota Privacy. On the screen just now you can see a publicly available rota. This is a default setting. What you see here are the display names of the people in the rota, you see the events, you see the time of the event, and you see the various teams that are taking part in the various events. This is a default setting. When you go to the URL of the organisation, you would see this. However, it may well be that you would rather have your rotas private and only either logged in users or people who have a passcode can access your rotas. Let me log in now and have a look at the privacy settings for the rota. This can be done by the organisational administrator. I've logged in as the admin for this site and I go to Organisation. There are two tick boxes and the option to put in a passcode if that's how you want to work. If you tick this box here, then if a member of the public or MD goes to the website, they will not be able to see any of the rota unless they are a logged in user. So let me first of all do that. So if I save the changes and I'll log out, and I now go, you will see that it's asking me to log in to the demo church to see anything. And I don't see anything until I've logged in. So I'll just log back in again as administrator and go to the organisation. And this time I'm going to actually set a passcode. Now, the passcode can be any sequence of characters from 6 characters to 20 characters, numbers, letters, uppercase, lowercase, whatever you want to use. I would keep it something fairly simple so people can remember it. If I change this to, let's say, 987654, and that's going to be my passcode, and I save that. If I now log out, when I go to the URL, I'm going to be asked for the passcode. Of course, if I'm a user, I can still log on here and I can see the rotas from here. But if I want to access the rotas, I go here and I type in the passcode 987654, submit that, and then I can see the rotas, I can view the rotas. I can't edit them, I can't change anything, but I can view them. This is a way of keeping rotas private, either to users only or to people who you give out a passcode to get access to see the rotas.